Here is the question. You see the question. Let us go for solution. Using Gauss divergence theorem, the given surface integral can be written as del dot f dv. In the next step, we can write 1 by pi, and here at the place of this we can write 2i plus z plus 1. As you see yz in it, so dv can be written as dx dy dz. Now we go for the limit. If you see this thing from here, we can find x will be 3 minus y square over root minus 2, the same thing 3 minus y square over root, but in plus. Now we have done for x. Now for y, from here minimum value of y will be minus root 3 and maximum will be plus root 3, and z you see 0 to 6. Here 0, here 6. Now you see that first limit is the same but in opposite signs. So this thing 2y, sorry, we will go for this later in step. Let us see. Let us integrate with respect to x first. Root 3 with here you see there is no x, so integration of dx will be x, and putting the limits we have 2 this thing 2 into this thing 3 minus y square over root. So we have integrated with respect to x. Now the remaining is 2y plus z plus 1 and dy dz. You can see that this, you see that now we are going to integrate with respect to y. You see that this thing and this thing, this is an odd function, and you see the limit equal but in opposite direction, so this part will be 0. So the next step will be, here you see 2, this 2 comes out, 2 by pi, and remaining thing will be 3 minus y square, double integration, and this z plus 1, and here will be dy dz. You see that integration is from minus root 3 by root 3 to root 3, and z is 0 to 6. You see that these two, z plus 1 and 3 minus y square, are independent. Their limits are also independent, constant. So we can take these two things separate. That is, here you can write 2 by pi, that you see here, and 0 to 6 for z, and z is z plus 1 dz. And for y we write separately. For y, you see 3 minus y square is an even function, so we put here 0 to root 3, but here you see minus root 3 to root 3, so for this change we have to put a 2 here. Now 3 minus y square over root dy. Now it is easy to calculate. You see that here 4 by pi and integration of this thing 0 to 6z plus 1 dz will be 24, and integration of this 0 to root 3 minus y square dy will be 3 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. You can evaluate, very simple. So this pi gets cancelled, this also, so it remains 24 into 3, that is 72. 72 is the right answer.